In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Skillshare account. Whether you're leaving the platform for a break, simplifying your online presence, or just moving on to other pursuits, I'll make sure you understand each step of the process thoroughly. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to access your Skillshare account. Begin by logging in if you aren't already. Now, navigate to the top right corner of your profile where you'll find a little icon or your profile picture. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu with several options. You're going to want to look for the Help option on this menu. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. This will redirect you to the Skillshare Help Center, a place designed to assist users with all sorts of queries and issues. Once you're at the Help Center, you need to locate the Privacy Request form. This might involve a bit of scrolling or searching, but it's usually designed to be accessible so that users can take action on their accounts when necessary. This form is crucial because it guides Skillshare in understanding your specific request related to privacy matters, such as account deletion. After locating the Privacy Request form, click on it. It will open in another tab, providing a form where you'll be required to enter necessary details. These details generally include personal information that verifies your identity and clearly indicates your desire to have your account removed. You'll want to make sure all the information you input here is accurate to prevent any delays in processing your request. It's important to understand that this is the way Skillshare ensures that account deletion requests are genuine and secure. At this stage, you'll see a section asking you to specify the type of request. You'll want to choose the option to delete your account. This will generally be in a drop-down menu or a similar format. Additionally, there might be a field to enter any additional information you'd like to provide. This is optional, but if there's something specific about your request or any further clarification needed, feel free to input it here. The last step involves proving that you're not a robot. It's a simple check to ensure you're a real human making this request. This might look like a small puzzle or a checkbox you need to mark. Once that's done, scroll down and find the Submit Request button. With one final click, your account deletion request will be on its way to being processed by the Skillshare team. And that's it. You have successfully submitted a request to delete your Skillshare account. Remember, the actual deletion process might take some time as Skillshare handles your request. Thanks for sticking with me, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next video.